In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Discord on your computer or on your laptop. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Microsoft Store on your computer or on your laptop, and you can easily access Microsoft Store by hovering down here and then click on this icon. Once you click on it, it will take you to Microsoft Store. From here, proceed and create a free account. As you can see, I'm logged into my account, so you can create your free account either using a Gmail, a Google Mail, or any other email that you have. Once you are done, now you'll be able to search for any program that you so wish. For a case, I want to download Discord, and to do so, it is quite simple. If you can't see it on this interface, go ahead and search for it under apps here. And here you can search for anything, either apps, games, movies, and more. So for my case, I want to search for Discord, and here we go. The Discord program is here. To download it, go ahead and click on it, and then proceed and click on install. This will go ahead and download the program, and once it is done, it will begin the installation process, which should just take some seconds. And you can see now the program has been installed. To find your program that has been installed, just get out of Microsoft Store and you'll be able to see a shortcut of Discord app on your computer. To launch it, go ahead and click on it to start using Discord. So by following these simple steps, you'll be able to download and then install Discord on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.